Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. That's why children should not be restricted on the internet. Study on the brink of fantasy. The ban on children to use the internet is a kind of cruel treatment of children. According to the sociology professor Ellis Kashmore, protecting the 4-year-old children from being online, the parents harm them. This prohibition restricts the child in communication, becomes an obstacle to the study of the world and can become the cause of ridicule of peers. Ellis' research, carried out in cooperation with other international scientists, was published by a book called Screen Society. A team of researchers led by Professor of Sociology Kashmore overseen 2,000 internet users and reviewed several previous studies on this topic. Professor Kashmore recommends allowing children from 4 years of age to have unlimited access to the internet. After all, they use gadgets to communicate with other children, in order to look at different things and play games. All this is important for the development of the child. Sociologist argues that depriving children of access to the internet can have a long-term negative effect. Instead of restricting children, the National Society for the Prevention of Child Abuse of the United Kingdom advises parents to enlighten their children about the risks of staying online. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.